Hey YouTubers, and here's part 3. We mixed in white this time, and we did a third coat. We're going to do another coat, a clear coat next, and then the shell. Here's the third coat on the mask of Frankenstein mold. Here we are with the final coat, and then we have to put the plaster casting next. So here's the final stage, and we got a plaster cast, and we put Vaseline right here and overlapped it, and the Vaseline will help to take the cast off. You put some on the sides too, and it's a two-piece, and you put the elastic around there. It's a big elastic. I don't know what number it is, but that's to keep the shell together. And on the inside, see the impression you have? There's the impression, the Mask of Frankenstein. So that completes this project. And I hope you liked watching, and have a great day. Please subscribe and check out the other channels and playlists. We'll see ya. Take care.